Hey everyone, ManyChat is a popular app that's taking off and that a lot of creators are using these days to help drive sales, acquire new followers. The way I would think about it is it's a automation system that helps reduce all the overhead you as a creator need to take on when you're trying to grow your account, when you're trying to drive affiliate sales. And so today I wanted to talk through how you can use the app specifically in the context of affiliate. So before I dive into it, one of the challenges with being a creator and driving affiliate sales is that you don't want to always be selling your audience, right? You don't want to be hawking the latest jacket or the latest pair of jeans. So you want to find a tasteful way to do it that helps build trust with your audience and doesn't bombard them. Two is also if you add a lot of commercialization to your account, as in if you're always selling products, that also negatively impacts how you're going to be ranked on Instagram feed and other places. So you don't want to be overly commercial. So then how do you find ways to connect with your audience, make it easy for them to find the product that you have in your specific look? And ManyChat does this really well. So it lets you use comments or DMs to drive awareness around where to find a specific product. So let's talk through how you can use ManyChat to do that. Before I dive into it, you do have to pay for ManyChat, or at least for the more advanced features. So that's just something to keep in mind. But it's probably worth it, especially if you're a mid or later stage creator where you are onboarded to some sort of affiliate program. And ultimately, if you're driving product sales, it's going to be helpful for you to earn money as a creator. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is just walk through the overall UI. The first one is that you can import or create new contacts in ManyChat. And you could just think of this as a CRM, like a customer relationship management system. So all your favorite followers or the people that really love you, like you can make sure you have it here. That just allows you to more easily contact them, because once they're in your contact list and you want to reach out to them about something, anything, a new product, a sale, whatever, having them in the contact database allows you to do that. If you click down here, you can build out automation, and this is the bread and butter of ManyChat. Essentially, how do you build out, or the ways in which you can build out chat automations to then engage your audience. And then we've got live chat where you can actually have conversations. And this is hooked into, I have Instagram connected right now, but like Instagram specifically. And so I can open up my Instagram here, and this is where I can manage conversations through ManyChat, so my DMs. All right, so let's talk about automation. I can build out automation here, or if you're on the home page, you can use some of these templates to get started. And I think this is a good way to start, is just look at all the templates that they have listed. So I'm going to take a look at the recommended at the top here. There's 3 recommended. One is convert your Instagram comments into sales. So this is an example where like I've got my look, I've got this blue shirt. I post a story about it, how I like it, how it's on sale at J. Crew, whatever. And someone says like, hey, I'm interested, where do I find that product? And so when they comment on my Instagram story, I can use ManyChat to like, hey, this is where you can go get that product, and specifically send them an affiliate link. And then similarly, you can use Instagram stories to generate like more leads, or like these scenarios I think are all very similar, like show off your site to new visitors. But let's check this out. Convert your Instagram comments into sales. So what's going to happen is you're going to send your followers a text and a link to buy your product or register for webinars or events. And let's set it up using this template. So a user comments on your post or reel, right? So I can create a trigger here, which is if you're running ads, you can do that. But what we really care about is sort of these scenarios where a user comments on your post or reel, or maybe they replies to your story, right? I think this one's the most common. So which post or reel do you want to use in automation? I have to select this reel that I published recently. So it's only stuff that already exists. And then I click continue. And then what keywords will trigger the automation, right? So like find, because people say, where can I find that? Or what is it? Let's say I was talking about or highlighting a shirt, right? I might do shirt. But what you can also do is like, I might have a specific hashtag or comment that I want people to use for this DM. So what I mean by that is like in my story reel, I might say like, hey, comment with the hashtag DM me, and then you'll get a DM. And so that's a good way to train your audience to engage with the story or reel in a certain way to get that specific affiliate link. So let's click continue. And then would you like to set up public reply in the feed? So you could have it actually, this bot, reply into that comment and send over a, and say what they've done in response. So as an example, like sent the link over, it makes sense, right? So done, the link in your DMs. And so just confirmation to the person who commented that, that you've done the thing that you said you would do. Right now, it's on a yes random multiple replies. I can add more replies. All of this is like, hey, I've DM'd you your link. So that looks good to me, right? I don't have any, I'm cool with all of that. Done the link in your DMs, right? And then send, please check DMs, right? So I had to add 3 and then I can save here. I can also add new replies as you saw there. Click save. So I've got my piece of content where this bot is going to be activated. I've got the keywords here, right? Find shirt, DM me. And then I've got the replies I'm going to send over and confirm that things are working as intended. So this has been saved. And then we have, let's delete this, right? So I'm going to find this real quick. And then I need to go and delete this guy. Okay, so I have 2 right here. One was the one I just created here. The second one here is that, what was I going to say? This was kind of the default one that it hasn't been set up. So I actually want to delete this because I don't need to run 2 automations. So I just want one trigger, like when this happens, do this thing. And so now let's go look at the action that happens. So reply and DM. So thanks for your comment. This is the DM that's going to go out. Here's your link, right? And what I want to do is, let's say I've got my Shop My creator page. Okay, just coming back. So let's say I'm using Shop My for affiliates, and this is my videos about this sunscreen right here. So I'm going to go and grab my affiliate link. And then I'm going to go back over to ManyChat, and this is where I can then add in some, this is where I can customize a couple things, right? So in this case, reply in DM, send as comment reply. So as in the DM is going to be a comment reply. And then what I can do is like, get the sunscreen. And then when this button is pressed, open the website. Let's see. When this button is pressed, I want to, yes, open the website, but I want a different URL. So whoops, let's go back to Shop My. I didn't get the link for some reason. Copy this, come over here, paste that. Okay, and additional actions, I can take additional actions on a button click. I'm not gonna do that right now, let's keep it simple. And so that's it. So now what happens is if you comment with find shirt, DM me, then you're going to get this reply in the comments. So let's set that live. Okay, whoops, I need to remove this. Okay, let's set that live. Okay, automation is now live. So let's go take a look at this on Instagram. Okay, so now I'm logged in under my Instagram account and I'm watching like the reel, which is a video about Linktree Shop. And if I comment here, then if you'll remember, on this, the keywords that I had set up, whoops, let's go back. The keywords that I had set up here were find shirt and DM me. So let's go back over to this one and just type shirt. I like that shirt, right? Okay. And then now with ManyChat, I should get a DM from the bot. All right, so this is my DMs. I'm just hiding my inbox so you don't see that. So you can see this is like, it's weird because I have the same profile picture, but this was the creator I'm viewing, following the creator. Once I click this, and it looks like it didn't update correctly because it's a little delayed, but once I click that, it should send me over to the Shop My affiliate link, and there you go. So that's how you can easily integrate ManyChat into your Instagram stories or TikTok stories and posts, and make it easy for your fans and followers to find the products that you're sharing and want to promote with them. And that's going to be really helpful in driving sales, because your followers are going to get a direct link to the product page. It's going to be super easy to find. They don't need to scroll through your storefront, and you can have high confidence that you can have high confidence that you're going to have a really good conversion rate here. And it's really easy to set up on ManyChat. As you saw, it probably took me like 5 minutes to get it going. So it doesn't add a ton of overhead to your workflow.